So we're going to do this unboxing here. Ichigo Ichie shoemaker out of Japan. Beautiful shoebox. It's got a nice piece of tweed. These gorgeous shoe bags. Now this is a made-to-measure pair. He does not have trees, so I have to use trees myself. But look at this. This is Kudu, and look at the art that he painted on the bottom for me. Just very, very cool. So, take this, and I will take more time to look at this in a bit. Look at that. Just a very, very cool pair of shoes made for my feet. All right, everybody, so this is my pair of shoes from Japan that is coming to me by way of Vietnam. So very excited about these. It's taped so well, you can't tell where the line is on the box. Now this has, he had sent me pictures of a shoebox as part of this. This got stuck in customs in Vietnam, and so has been delayed a bit. And so looking forward to seeing it. It's been a few weeks since I posted this online. And so here we are. This. Grab. I think I'm just going to flip it. So I thought it would be cool to do the wood shoebox on the wood shoeboxes. Very, very, very secure in this box. So, probably gonna have to edit all of this out. Here we go. Look at that. All right. No box. And there we go. It's almost like it's shrink wrapped. Now, these shoes are from an up-and-coming shoemaker in Japan. He came from Vietnam, and you know there's some shipping issues from Japan to the US right now, and so he's been shipping to Vietnam so that it can get to me in the US. His name is Lee Chung, and this box is extraordinary. Just a very, very nice thing. Look at that. Ichigo Ichie shoemaker And this is carved into that. Feels like a laser carver. Very cool.